Okay, to change the power cord, first thing we need to do is make sure that the power is off to the machine. So I've unplugged it, everything should be safe. You're also going to need a spare power cord, your normal vending toolkit with some sort of a light in it so you can work underneath this machine. So once you've disconnected your power from back behind here where the circuit board is, you need to remove your ground wire as well. As usual, I'm going to take any screws I remove or small parts, I'm going to put them in my coin box. All right, so we don't have to use a wire stripper and try to splice our wires back together. We use that tool instead. We cut the wires off the end. Use this to push our pins out. See that coming out the end a little bit? And I should be able to pull that the rest of the way out. So we're now going to go into the machine so we can remove our mouse guard so that we can pull the wires out of that. So now we're going to take and feed our wire back up through the hole in the bottom. This is our new power cord. Now we're going to connect the Molex which is a surprisingly simple process. This is our ground wire, which we're going to reattach to the machine. Now that our Molex is attached, we're going to go ahead and plug this in back in the board where it came from. All right, I'm going to reach back in the box and get that screw for my ground wire. I'm going to reach in. Well, remember there were two ground wires attached here with one screw. Okay, now that I have both ground wires, I can feed these through with my screw and reattach it. So before we go ahead and put our mouse guard on and put the machine back, let's plug it in and make sure everything's working. So we're about to put the mouse guard back together and then back on. First we're going to measure to approximately where it needs to be on our wire. Then we're going to pull our wire out and reattach this section of the mouse guard. Let's plug the machine in, see what happens. We have power. Successful.